Adobe Premiere Pro editing app is here and it is completely free. When I say free, I mean the basic features that you need to edit your videos are completely free. And one of the amazing things is that it allows you to export your videos in 4K HD, which is not common with other apps. Most of the apps that we use these days, before you export in higher quality, you have to be using the Pro features. You have to subscribe. Now, this is the app that almost everyone is using now. If you cannot afford to subscribe to CapCut or other editing apps, you can try Adobe Premiere Pro. It is completely free. There are other AI features that you can use there, but you have to pay for them. Trust me, as a beginner, you don't need those AI features except on rare occasions. And once you sign in for the first time, you are given 7 days free trial. So you can try all those AI features that you can use to generate images, videos, text to videos, images to videos. You can just try them and know if you want to subscribe to them or not. But for now, the app is only available on iPhones. We are trusting that soon it will be made available for Android users too. So if you've ever opened the editing app and you don't know where to start from, like the app looks confusing, work with me. Let me show you how you can edit like a pro with Adobe Premiere Pro editing app. So the first thing you do is to get the app from App Store. Like I said before, this is not available on Android, so you cannot find it in your Play Store, okay? After downloading the app, this is what you have. You have to sign in first with your email so that they will give you access to the app. Once you are done signing in, this is what you have. When you open the app, you have their welcome videos. Then you have new from photo library. You click on it. That's to import videos. You can choose to import anyone. You have create for YouTube shorts. You have new from files. That's important. If you have any video, image, or whatever you have in your files, you can import it from there. Then we have new blank project. That's you just import a blank project to start editing. We have extract audio. We have add caption. We have image to video, text to video. That's the AI Pro features. You can also import from here, from this particular place, this plus sign, you can import from there. So let's import maybe one video so that I'll put you through. So you click on the plus sign and import, choose any video of your choice, click on next. This is the video that we have now. When you click on the video, you have split. If you want to split the video, you can click on split. The video is already split. This is half and this is half. This is undo. Then we have delete, just to delete your video or a part of the video that you don't need. Let's assume we don't want this ending part. We can just split and delete. Then that one is gone. So we have duplicate. This is used to make a copy. Duplicate. You make a copy of your video. Let's undo it. Then we have replace. You can use this replace to replace the particular video that is already that you're already working on. So we have move up. Let's split this so that it will be easy. Just like an overlay, you understand? This is move up. You can see undo it. Or another way you can move up is just to hold the video and drag it. You hold it and drag it. It will still give you the same answer. So let's undo it. We have a volume. You can use it to increase or decrease the volume. Decrease, increase, center. Okay. We have audio fade. Your audio can fade in slowly, and fade out slowly. You can just increase it or decrease it. You can see here that it is applying. Can you see it? It can fade in slowly and fade out slowly. Then we have enhanced speech. Enhanced speech. Processing. You wait for it to process. Okay. Just to increase your volume. Background noise, you can use this to reduce the background noise. You can increase the enhanced speech to 100. You wait for it to process. Okay. So we have extract audio. To remove the audio, like to extract it, maybe you want to work on it, you want to delete a part of the audio without touching the video, you can just click on extract audio. Audio speech extracted. You can see undo it. We have remove background. You can remove this background. We have looks here. How you want it to look. You can see it's applying to it. You can choose any kind of look. Okay. You can increase the intensity or decrease it. click on undo. It will take you back to none. We have adjust. Just as we have in CapCut, you can increase exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, anyone you like. You can just adjust your video to your own choice. Okay, that's under lights. We have color, we have mix, we have grading, we have vintage. You can just, at your own leisure time, you can just play with all this stuff. You'll be seeing changes in the video. If you don't like it, you can just go to here, undo, and remove it completely. Then we have effect, video effect. You can just click anyone and increase the intensity if you want to. A lot of them. Okay, we have opacity. You can either choose to make the video very clear, which is 100%, or reduce the opacity. We have speed. You can increase or decrease the speed of your video as much as you want. You can increase or decrease the speed of your video. We have reverse. This is used to reverse the video, like for the video to play backwards. We have reverse. We have freeze. You can, if you want to freeze a part of your video, like to make it stand still, a part of your video, you can do it. You can see it here. We've already freeze this video, this part exactly. This part in particular is already freezed. You can just undo it if you don't want. Then we have transform. This transform means whether you want to turn your video up or down, left or right. You want to rotate your video, you can choose how you want to rotate it. You want to flip it left and right, you want to flip it up and down, or you want it to remain the same size. This sign here means apply to all. It will apply to all your clips. So this is undo. You can just choose to undo everything. So we have flip horizontal and we have flip vertical. Then we have background. I've talked about the background before. If you want to blur your background, it is here. You can blur from here. You can choose to apply to all, or you can choose to undo. So here, videos and images. You can still import more videos and more images if you wish to. You can import from photo library. Here you can generate videos. That's the AI features. If you are signing to the app for the first time, you are going to use this free for 7 days. After that 7 days, it will automatically go to pro version. So if you still need it, you have to pay for it. You can generate video. It says here, describe the video you want to generate. This is actually working. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's generate a video. You can say a young woman on everyday wear walking along a dusty village road. Okay, you can choose the aspect ratio, the resolution, your seconds, how many seconds you want it. That's 5 seconds. So we click on generate. Let's generate the video. So we are generating the video now. It's going to take a little time, so we have to be patient a little. Generating this video did not take me up to 1 minute. It took me about 30 seconds on there or thereabouts. You can see a young woman walking along a dusty village road on everyday wear. So if you want, you can specify your own. I just said on everyday wear. I did not describe anything about the background, or this is just the normal way you do your AI videos, you understand? So you can choose to add it to your timeline. You can see it here. You can also generate image, generate sticker, image to video, add images or videos from your files, or just add blank. Alright, so this is music and audio. Soundtracks, you can choose to voice over, sound effects, you can generate sound, you can extract audio maybe from your videos or from files. Okay, then you can also use your music, or you can extract from files. Okay, we have titles and captions. You can give it a title. Let's just give it anything. Good morning. So here you see edit text. In case this is not what you want to write, you can still edit it to your choice. Okay, you can still edit the text maybe to good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right. Okay, you can style it. You can choose the template. You can choose the font. You can choose color, the color of your text. You can choose the opacity here. You can choose background color here. Okay, you can choose layout here or here. You can increase the text width or decrease. Okay, then we go back. You can choose to delete it or duplicate it. You can increase the opacity. You can transform it. You can also add transition to the text, how you want the text to appear. You can choose to move it here or here, here or here. All right, captions. It can create captions for you. Let's see. Spoken language, English, or speech. Let's see if it will create caption for us. So yeah, it created caption for us, but this particular video, we didn't talk much in this particular video. There was no talking, it was just background noise and only action. So this is the caption, and I love this caption so much because most of these editing apps doesn't create captions free for you. You have to pay for it, but this one creates it free. This is the amazing thing about it. All right, this is transition. In case you want to add transition, you can see this line here. That's your transition. You can choose how the video will appear, how you want the video to enter. Push up, dissolve, push down, push left, zoom, and you can change the duration depending on the length of your video. I don't know if there's any other thing. I don't know. This is the export. You can choose to export your videos. Here you can choose 4K, frame 60, quality, high quality. Let's try this. Let's export the video now. Exporting. So guys, I don't know if there's anything that I've not talked about in this Adobe Premiere Pro, but one thing is that it is similar with your normal editing app. If you have been using CapCut, InShot, UCut, it is very similar. It is almost the same thing. All right. So if there's anything you want me to talk about, maybe I forgot, let me know in the comment section. Let me also know if you will be trying this new editing app. Once you are done exporting, your video is ready. If you've watched this video till this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, maybe a question, contribution or anything, and also subscribe to my channel.